Viewers, welcome to my channel Career Soch. Today's video is specially meant for aspiring fashion designers. The speaker today is none other than India's most iconic costume designer and fashion stylist, Ms. Neeta Lilla. She studied her fashion designing from Prem Lilla Vitthada's Polytechnic, SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. Her valuable guidance in this video will certainly help aspiring fashion designers to understand the field of apparel manufacturing and design. So let us begin by asking her about the skill sets that are required to be a fashion designer.
I think what's really important is the skill sets that I just spoke about earlier: multitasking, being able to organize yourself to be able to finish what you've been given, the task that you've been given, being able to research. And students, with all honesty, I say this, that research is very important, and an introspective of yourself. Be true to yourself. Understand what you're good at. Speak to your professors, speak to mentors, speak to people around you, or for them to guide you as to what. And in this point in time where you are at, your best mentors are going to be your professors, who will tell you. If a professor tells you, you're all the time talking in class, you know nothing about pattern making, understand there is a prospective marketing person out there who should be focusing more on marketing or fashion writing or merchandising rather than pattern making. If your professor tells you you're very shy and quiet, your work in illustrations is damn good or pattern making is good, but why don't you speak up? It's okay. It's okay. As long as you're a fantastic illustrator, you can build a business for yourself. And I must say, in today's times, every professional in the industry is valued. We all need people who know their work, who know their kind of niche, and understand what it is to be able to do the techniques correctly. Because fashions are changing, fashions are coming to the forefront. India is becoming a major player in fashion. There is a lot of demand for clothes, great clothes. Today, people are not only just looking at magazines for clothes and aping them, they want to know which is a brand that could make them a simple white shirt or a simple black shirt or a great pair of pants. Even if you are going to be wanting to make that basic black pant, and that is all you want to specialize in, go ahead and do it, because that's important. If you love pattern making, it's not that you're an ordinary darzi. You can create a business, because fashion houses today need intelligent technique capabilities. So even if you know how to do pattern making and you can do the pattern making of an entire collection for a fashion house, you can work with 10 different fashion houses and create a business and a kind of a company of your own where you're only dealing with that. So understand what you are good at, introspect, and get on with that. Follow that. That is your calling.
And then we asked her how COVID-19 will change the fashion industry, and she did not disappoint us by giving some valuable and most important tips for the aspiring designers to cope up with the change.
Very important question. Thank you for asking this. Um, I would say, as of earlier, initially before the lockdown, I was telling everybody about being able to become professionals in your own field, like I just answered previously. That is for sure, that is a given, because our industry is looking for professionals who know their work, who know what they're talking, they know their language. They can talk and walk the fashion language, and they can interpret in their ways. That is very essential. But in today's times, guys, things have changed. There is going to be a new norm, whether you like it or not, because we are all in a situation where we don't know where this is headed. Therefore, a lot of people are working from home. Thus, there is a mass digitization. Digitization on every aspect, be it pattern making, be it styling, be it Right now people are looking at 3D styling, 3D, they're using 3D in their garments. Somebody who can understand that and come up with new innovative creative designs. People are looking for those kind of professionals. Sustainability is a huge aspect today. People are talking about sustainable garments, sustainable fabrics, coming up with innovative dyeing processes, prints that can be used on these kind of fabrics, researching about the new kind of fabrics that one can come up with, which are sustainable. What are the different kind of vegetables or plant-based fabrics that one can make? There is a lot of people, dearth of these kind of professionals in the industry, that a lot of people who are into fabrics, textile manufacturers are looking for. So this is a huge business, and there is a dearth of professionals in this field. A very important aspect, and today as a designer, I am facing this as well. Digital illustrations. Every client you speak to today wants to see a digital illustration because they cannot come to your store. So as we speak, I have 3 people who are working on digital illustrations for me. I have taken on 3 professional students of mine who are doing really great digital work. Let me see. No, I don't have it here. Okay. So this is another aspect which is very important. People want stylists. They will consult you on your Zoom or whatever. They need you to see them, suggest to them what will look good, whether it's for their wedding or whether it's for their personal wardrobe or a travel wardrobe. So these kind of professionals are very essential today, especially illustration, especially styling, innovative careers as such, pattern making. If somebody could do digital patterns for me today, that is something which is very essential. So guys, look into these kind of careers. This is the career that is the way forward for the future. And I think India is going to need a lot more professionals in these fields.
Then we asked her, as a fashion designer, what is the scope and relevancy of doing an MBA? And this is what she said.
There is, fashion designers don't make the great business people, let me tell you that. And all of us need someone who can look after the business. Therefore, understanding fashion is most important first, and then doing a course in management to understand how to take forward a brand is going to be the new wave of a career as well. Because what's going to happen is that if you are a management graduate and you understand business management and you don't understand fashion, you will not understand what is it that entails the way forward for a fashion brand. How do you push that? What are the different kind of avenues that you need to use to market that particular brand? So to be able to get creative in that perspective and in that knowledge of fashion will be very essential.
How important is to do a fashion show or collection when you are a student?
Very important. Firstly, it gives you an adrenaline rush, which we are all looking for. Secondly, it makes you understand the techniques you're using, how to kind of make that garment. Thirdly, it gives you a know-how about yourself. What is it that you are more inclined towards? Fourthly, it gives you the visual accolade, to look at your collection and say, okay, this is what I did. This is part of me. This is my baby. It gives you a different high. And lastly, what I'd like to say is it is a holistic introspection of yourself, your creative talent, and what your calling is towards where you are headed. Whether you're headed towards couture, whether you're headed towards bridals, whether you're headed towards accessories or breadth or diffusion, whatever it is, it will give you an insight on yourself, and visually you'll be able to see it there.
This was such an engaging conversation, guys. Thank you so much, Ms. Nita Lulla, India's iconic costume designer and fashion stylist.
So much. And guys, I must tell you, stay home, stay safe, but stay motivated, stay happy, stay creative, and stay inspired. Just keep looking at everything around you as an inspiration, and do what you would love to do, and do it to the best of your ability. Thank you, and God bless all.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I would also like to thank PV Polytechnic SNJT Women's University for making this footage available for my channel. PV Polytechnic offers diploma and degree program in apparel manufacturing and design. Friends, if you have any query regarding career in fashion industry, then I'll be happy to answer it over here. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos and exclusive career guidance. Thank you so much.